Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give a brief about unlimited token option from the one of the best application that is OpenRouter. So for that, this OpenRouter giving the like lot of open tokens. So because other LLMs there are a lot of expensive to handle the large applications and to use more and more. So if we use more and more, that models give some limited tokens. So if we need like more tokens, we have to pay something. Okay, we have to spend some amount on that. So to like to reduce that, I'm going to like give you the one wonderful option that is free open tokens. So in the cloud or in the chat GPT and some models are providing the free tokens. Okay. While suppose we are working on some projects. Suppose the tokens are completed. At that moment we need we need to work on very urgent. At that moment we don't have any options to use that. So we have to pay something and we have to get some tokens and we have to do work. So instead of that, here some platforms are providing the free tokens with the help of the API keys, and some that platforms also providing the free tokens. So instead of spending lot of amount on AI tools, like some platforms are providing the like this is an open route. So the open route is providing the like free open API keys. Okay, let us see this. See, there are plenty of models is there. Okay, there are plenty of models is there. Yeah, and also here you can also filter it. And if you want to pay something, if you want to use the premium options, you can use it and you can filter from here. Okay, and also if you want like a free API models, AI models, just enter the free and you will get the some free AI models. So like Nvidia, it's providing the Nematron 3 super free. So and also like Open OpenAI also providing the one free option that is GPT OSS and Gemini also. So there are plenty of options is there. Okay. Suppose let us first understand this. So here let us take the example of the cloud code. So nowadays lot of people are using this. So in this free options, it's providing the some limited options. But if we need some more pro options and also like some high level code implementation, for that we need to pay some dollars of amount. So like $17 and $100. Okay. Instead of paying this much amount, here some models are providing the free tokens. So to integrate it this, so I will give the like what steps we need to follow. So how to configure it. I am going to tell that. So before going to that, like I would like to request everyone, please, if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also support me. So I will also create some latest updates on the AI's videos. Okay, if you support me, then definitely I will give the latest updates on the AIs. And also I'm giving these some coding options also. If you are interested, please watch it and give the thumbs up on each video. Yeah, let's go into the concept. The concept is simple: unlimited tokens, 100% free of cost. This is an concept today. So with the help of the open route, we are going to use the free models in our system. Yeah, let's see that integration process step by steps. So for that, you need to install the Node.js. For that, just open the Chrome browser. Just enter the Node.js download and open first link, and you can install from here. Okay, just install it, and also you can install from here also. Just install it. After that, one more thing you need to install it. That is Git bash. Git. You need to install the Git. Just open this. Just enter in. Just enter Git and open this first link, and it will open like this. And just click on this downloads, and like here, just click on this install for window. So then it will install in your system. After that, you need to install the cloud. So for that, just open the cloud documentation and scroll up. Yeah, here we have a commands to install this cloud in your system. For that, Mac peoples just use this command. Okay, for the Windows peoples, if you want to use PowerShell, just use this command, and if you want to use CMD, just use this command. Yeah, once its installation is done, just verify it. So previously I have installed it, so just I will verify it I've installed or not. For that, to verify that so those platforms are installed in your system or not, just for checking purpose, just open the CMD, just click Windows plus R, and also like just verify it node version. So node is installed or not, just verify it. Yeah, it is installed. And also Git. Yeah, Git also installed, and Cloud Code. Yeah, Cloud also installed. These three platforms are installed in my system. Okay. If you are not yet installed, please install it. Then continue the process. Please don't skip any step. Please watch till the end. Okay. Then that would be better to you to understand the concept, how to integrate it. Just simple, guys. Just three things. You need to configure it here. Just you need to install the platforms, and also just create one account in the OpenRouter and get the token from that OpenRouter and paste it here. Paste it in your configurations. That's the small things you need to do it here. Then after that, you will get the complete free tokens. No need to pay anything. And go this platform, OpenRouter. Just click on home page. Yeah, just go here and click on this get API key. So previously I have created it. If you're new, just click new API key and write some name, and also just keep it as empty and just create it here. Then you will get the token secret key. So just paste it somewhere. Keep it as a secure. Okay. So already I've created this, and also I'm using this one. So 5 days ago. Then after that, just open the Visual Studio. Just run these commands which I am pasting here. Just run those commands in your system. Yeah, I'm set up the Anthropic base URL with the OpenRouter AI API. Okay. After that, you have to enter the Anthropic authentication token. So here you have to paste it here. One of the authentication token. Okay. Just paste it here. Yeah. This is my API key. So I have pasted here and click on enter. And after that, one more property is there, Anthropic API key. Just keep it as empty. Then after that, yeah, you have to mention the one model which you want to use to work with that. So here I'm going to use OpenRouter free. Yeah, if you are comfortable with any other free models, just paste it here and also enter the cloud. The cloud will activate it here, and just say this I trust this folder. Yeah, enter it. Yeah. Now though the configuration is done. Yeah. Just if you enter something, the connection will happen, and also it will give the response. That's it, guys. This is a simple configuration here. If you are comfortable with any other models, just go it here and search free models, copy these names and paste it there. Here I got the response here. Hello, how can I help you today? So if you want to build any applications, just enter the prompt here and you will get the complete project. It will create the complete setups here. So that's it, guys. Yeah. So this is the process, and this is the process is going on to configure the a- free AIs in your system. So yeah, I hope you understood the concept, how to integrate this. Yeah. If you like this video, please like and give the thumbs up. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.